Okay, question number 8 out of 2E involves being able to generate some equations using a pronumeral or letter. So at the start of lunch, Jimmy and Jake each bought out a new bag of X marbles to play with their friends. So at the start of lunch, what have we got? Jimmy had X marbles and Jake had X marbles. So X is the number of marbles at the start of lunch. Okay. By the end of lunch, they were surprised to see they had the equal number of marbles. So whatever they had at the end of lunch, whatever Jimmy had equaled whatever Jake had. Okay. Even though overall Jimmy had gained 5 marbles. So over lunch, Jimmy ended up getting X plus 5. So X plus 5 is the number of marbles that Jimmy had at the end of lunch. And Jake had ended up with double the result of 3 less than the original amount. The original amount that Jake had was X. If we minus 3 from that and double it, that's how many marbles that Jake had at the end of lunch. So I'll just double check that again. Jimmy had 5 less marbles, 5 gained 5 marbles, so that's X plus 5. And Jake had ended up double the result of 3 less than his original amount. So his original amount you minus 3, and that result you end up doubling. Okay, so if at the end of lunch they got the same, X plus 5 equals 2X minus 6, I am going to put all my X's onto the right-hand side. So I'm going to minus X and I'm going to plus 6 by moving this X to the other side and minusing. So it'll give me 2X minus X and 5 plus 6, 11 equals X. Both of them had 11 marbles originally. And Jimmy had 11 plus 5, which is 16 at the end of lunch. And Jake had 11 minus 3, which is 8 times 2, 16 at the end of lunch. So 11 marbles.